Can you believe it? We're in the what?
Oh, the Audi S8.
$126,000 of German engineering goodness.
By the way, if you hold your tongue just right, things come out better, you know. Somehow that helps. It's like Captain Kirk doing the drop and roll. It helps.
Yeah, so good traction, bad ground clearance, and that's a dog walking through the shot.
At least it's not a coyote.
It's not a coyote.
The fast lane car, dog. Fast lane dog. Fast lane dog. No, we don't have a mascot. That's what I'm
We got people shooting, we got dogs, we got rocks.
for. Andre's lost in the woods somewhere.
We lost Andre. This is becoming quite the train wreck of a review. As always, this is Roman.
And Nathan.
Saying, see you next time on the Fast Lane Car. Ciao. What the hell is that, a cannon going off? Alright, I'm going to play with the sirens, Nathan.
Go for it.
Alright, here is the whale. Now if that one doesn't get them, you can switch over to the Yelp. Then you can go to the pier. And then you can go back to the whale.
There's also a horn in there for as you're going through intersections there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Unfortunately, there's nobody in front of us.
Yeah, they're all behind us for some reason.
I wonder why.
Yeah.
All right, Kent, you don't want to drink this. This is for our test. So what we're gonna do is, we've got two different colored liquids here. We got some kind of watermelon pop and some kind of Coke. And what we'll do is we'll fill up this glass, put it in your trailer in the sink, put a camera on it, and do a rundown of very rough road with the air ride deflated.
By the way.
Oh, I'm terrified.
Yeah, it's alright, I am too. Right. Wide open. Wide open.
Here we go, wide open. The easy part.
Wide open.
That's 100. Woohoo! That's 110. 130. We're going right.
Off the brake, turn in, little bit of throttle, Go for this yellow cone, brake.
Get up to 130 there.
Turn in, stay to the left. Now round to the right, Yellow cone's over here.